Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to buy coins from an agent on Poppo Life. It's very straightforward, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you want to take is to head to your profile. So open your Poppo Life app, log into your account and head to your profile. So if you want to head to your profile, you're going to see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on that to head to your profile, and then from here you're going to find your coins option right there. All right, so click on that, and then you're going to see your total coins if you have purchased coin before. And also you find this top up button right there, so click on the top up button, and then you get two options to either purchase through Google Pay or to purchase from an agent. All right, so I'm going to click on the agent tab, and then I'll find some available agents that I can actually buy coins from. All right, so how do you buy coins from these people? So all you have to do is to click on this message icon right there. So click on any of the user's message icon. So once you do that, you can now go ahead and type a message. Like you can just say, I want to buy coins from you, just like that, and click on send. All right, so once you do that, the user is going to reply you, and then you are going to tell the user the amount of coin you want to buy, and then you guys can go ahead and bargain, and you can make payment to the person, and then the person will send you your coin. That's easy and straightforward. Right, so these users are trusted, so they are going to deliver you your coin. Don't be afraid of anything, but in case of any problem, you can still reach out to Poppo Life support to lay a complaint. Right, so it's that easy guys. Right, so in case you want to message any of this person outside Poppo Life, you can just click on the price button to see the user's contact information. You can see contact information like WhatsApp right here. Okay, WhatsApp number. So it's just that easy guys. So that's how you can actually buy coins from agents on Poppo Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.